Impressive machines of different types that are used in airports around the world for the transport of luggage, transfer of aircraft, maintenance of runways, or cleaning of large commercial aircraft. These are the 10 most amazing airport machines in the world. Number 10. Champ 350. It is a high loader that has been manufactured in Germany. It is used to lift heavy loads and place them in large airplanes. It measures 13 meters in length by 4.5 meters in width. Its scissor lift can load and unload heavy goods up to a height of 5.6 meters. It has a diesel engine with 138 horsepower and can travel at a speed of 13 kilometers per hour. It has a lifting capacity of 35 tons and a turning radius of 14 meters. It features 6 hydraulic outriggers and is the world's largest capacity loader of its kind. Number 9. Sherpa E. It is a compact tow tractor that has been manufactured in Germany. It is used to transport heavy loads such as luggage or goods from the plane to the airport warehouses. It measures 3.2 meters in length by 1.4 meters in width and can reach a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. It has an electric motor with 100 horsepower and a torque of 320 Newton meters. It weighs 8 tons and can tow loads of up to 80 tons, which are transported divided into several wagons. This vehicle can also be used to tow planes from the runway to the airport hangars. Number 8. Tug 660. It is a belt loader that has been manufactured in the United States. It is used to load and unload passenger luggage on the plane quickly. The vehicle measures 7.6 meters long by 2 meters wide and weighs 3 tons. Its mechanical conveyor belt measures more than 80 meters in length and 60 centimeters in width. It has an engine with 114 horsepower and a load capacity of 900 kilograms. It has an emergency braking system and can travel at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Number 7. Paxway. It is a double boarding bridge that has been manufactured in Japan. It can be adapted to a wide variety of aircraft and is made of steel and glass. It is designed to provide greater safety and comfort for passengers. It allows passengers to quickly access the plane and, with no steps, passengers in wheelchairs can also easily access. It has a control cabin that only needs one operator to work. It is equipped with an automated docking system with artificial intelligence technology used for the first time in the world in boarding bridges. Number 6. Schmidt AS990. It is a high-performance sweeping machine that has been manufactured in Germany. It is used to clean runways and remove metal objects that can cause damage. Its front blade has a high-powered magnet that can pick up metal parts quickly. It also has rotating brushes that clean dirt and a high-powered vacuum cleaner that collects all other objects. It measures 8.2 meters in length, weighs 6 tons, and can work at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. It has an engine with 335 horsepower and can reach a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Number 5. Overaasen RS400. It is a high-capacity snowplow that has been manufactured in Norway. It is designed to quickly remove snow from the runway and avoid disruptions to commercial flights. It measures 12.7 meters in length by 6.1 meters in width and weighs 14.2 tons. It has an engine with 435 horsepower and a torque of 2,100 Newton meters. It works with a blade that removes snow and a steel and polyester roller that cleans the runway. It has a working width of 5.5 meters and can remove snow from the track at a speed of 65 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Sea Fiero 220. It is a compact de-icer truck that has been manufactured in the United States. It is used to remove ice formations from the surface of aircraft and only needs one operator. It can be used on aircraft of all sizes, including the Airbus A380. It measures 8.2 meters long by 3.2 meters wide and weighs 18 tons. Its telescopic arm has a length of up to 8 meters, and its sprayer can reach a height of 20 meters. Its spraying system uses a new generation mixture that reduces fluid consumption and increases productivity. Number 3. Multi-Solution Gate AS500. It is a new automatic aircraft cleaning system that has been manufactured in Norway. It can defrost and wash a large aircraft in less than 30 minutes. It works with an electric tug to guide the aircraft during the process and multiple jets of water under pressure with de-icing liquid to remove ice and dirt. This system can significantly reduce operating costs and time, as well as recovering up to 95% of excess liquid. The system also performs a general inspection and applies antifreeze liquid, leaving the aircraft ready for takeoff. Number 2. Panther 8x8. It is a new generation fire truck that has been manufactured in Austria. It measures 12 meters in length and has a weight of 52 tons. Its tanks have a capacity for 12,000 liters of water, 1,500 liters of firefighting foam, and 250 kilos of firefighting powder. It can expel 10,000 liters of water per minute with a range of 100 meters. It has an engine with 1,450 horsepower and can reach a speed of 135 kilometers per hour. It can move on all types of terrain such as sand or snow and is currently used to keep airports around the world safe. Number 1. TaxiBot. It is a high-powered semi-robotic tow tractor that has been manufactured in Israel. It is used to tow planes from the gate to the runway. It can be used when an aircraft does not have enough room to maneuver or to reduce aircraft fuel consumption. It has a hybrid engine with 800 horsepower and can reach a speed of 42 kilometers per hour. It weighs 27 tons and can tow large aircraft. It allows all kinds of maneuvers to be carried out, and when the plane is being towed, it is controlled by the pilot. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment saying what other types of machines you would like to see a new video about. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and share it.